Hello everyone, welcome back to B10X channel. Let's see how we can insert a drop-down menu in an Excel sheet with the help of ChatGPT. If you are someone using Excel in your day-to-day job, let me tell you something: you are going to be replaced unless you are integrating AI in your Excel. If you integrate AI in your Excel workflow, let me tell you something: you are going to be 10x more productive and you will be getting that promotion that you deserve. If you want to learn all this, join me for my 2 hours workshop on Excel using AI. Okay, you can see the Excel sheet over here. There is a name column and there is a designation column. In the name column, you can see Glenn, Raja, Roha, and some names are there, nearly 5 names. And in the designation column, all the columns are left blank because rather than typing, I need to select in a drop-down list. So the list's details are here in sheet 2, like software engineer, business, and list. These are the 5 designations. So in sheet 1, when I press this button, I must get the list. In that list, drop-down list, I must have all these designations over here. And I don't know how to bring it from the Excel sheet. So I am going to ask ChatGPT. Help me, what are the steps to do? So let's see. So here is the ChatGPT. The same Excel sheet I have attached over here. Okay, here is the attached button attached over here. And then now we need to give the proper prompt. So I am giving drop-down list, 2.cell SX, attached above. In sheet 1, okay, because we know right, in sheet 1, it has name, right, okay. I must type such that. In sheet 1, it has column name and the values are from A2 to A6, right. A2 to A6, values from A6, okay. And column B has a designation, right. Okay, that's the place and designation header. And sheet 2, right. This is the sheet 2. Sheet 2 has values. B12, B6. B12, B6, okay. Now B1 to B5. Need to create, so our eyes need to create a drop-down list. List in sheet 1, okay. We need to create in sheet 1 are from B2. At B2, right. At B2. And we should get it without coding, right, because we don't want the code. We need to get the Excel tips, okay. Let's see. It's working. So it has given all the details, okay. And one more important update, okay, as you all aware, okay, that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. Okay. So, we have seen so many layers, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? So AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-year CA Tools workshop in which we will teach you about the best tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career, okay? So make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. So you go to this B10X, okay. This is the B10X link, okay. And go to our workshops, okay. It will take you to our workshops. And these will be the 4 upcoming workshop. Go to MS Office. So here are the details like master A heads in MS Office using ChatGPT and a tools. When will be the next workshop? The instructor details are here and why to join this course. And all the details are here, guys, okay. So I would request you to click the link in the below description and join the workshop, okay. So now let's go back to recording, okay. So open the drop-down sheet on your computer with Excel. Go to sheet 1. It is telling you to go to sheet 1 and click on the cells B2 where you want to. So I'm clicking the cells in the B2. And go to Data tab, okay. I'm going to the Data tab and I'm going Data Validation in the Data Tools group. I'm going to like here is the data part Data Validation, okay. And here it is telling me in the Data Validation under the Settings tab, select List from the Allow drop down. I'm going to the list and I'm just telling to select the list, okay. And it will next it is telling click in the source and then navigate to sheet 2, okay. I'm going to the source and it is telling me to go to sheet 2, okay. Sheet 2 and I'm selecting these are the values, okay. I know click in the different example, make sure the in cell drop down option is checked, okay. So that is fine. So we have got it. Now I'm slowly bringing here, okay. So that all will be reflected, okay. Now if you look over here, whatever details present over here like business analyst, ML engineer, all the things are here. Now I can select whether he must be a software engineer or this is a ML engineer. Instead of typing manually, we can do over here, okay. So this is the make sure, and if you want to go to the input message tab to set a message that will appear when the cell is selected. Yeah, that is further thing. And if you want to, if we can set the error alert also, okay, that's the thing they are telling, and if you go to data manipulation validation part, we can give the input message whatever we want and the error alert if you want to give. Also we can give, okay, that you can try it at home. Now cell B2 on sheet should have drop down list containing the values, okay. So now we can see, okay. The drop down list is here, okay. And similarly, okay, and one more option which is not there I am telling you, okay. We can ask, but I am telling you here if you want to bring over here like, okay, and go to data validation, okay, and the settings. If I want to like go for the list, if I want to keep only yes or no some value, okay, yes, no, no. If I give over here, that alone will be listed over here. In case you can keep 1, 2, 3, or if you want yes, no, or okay, true, false, that type of details also you can get it. If you drag over here, you will get it. All things will become and you can choose it, no, okay. So this is the way guys, without memorizing any of the formulas with the help of ChatGPT, you can get the comments, okay. So I hope you liked this session. Take care. Bye bye. See you again later. Bye.